Hi, I am Rocky Subin. The topic which we are discussing today is about the spiritual structure of the spiritual body of human. So, in today's topic, we are just highlighting a single point, that's how is the transformation of divine energy we are giving to other person. So, through prayer and meditation, we get the divine energy. So the two main energy centers which are related to divine or related to God is our heart chakra, the energy center in our spiritual body related to heart called heart chakra, which is situated at near to our heart area. And the next main energy center is our crown chakra, which is related to divine blessing. So when we meditate God, so in every religion we know that every religion teaches God is love. So when we worships God and when we meditates God, that love comes into our heart. Also our crown chakra will be filled with divine energy, divine power, divine strength of love. And when a person is filled with this love, when his heart is filled with love, also his crown is filled with love, that person will be entirely filled with love. So in our spiritual body, there we already told the seven main energy centers, and there are small energy centers in the center of both our palm. So through this energy center, the whichever energy we are accumulated through meditation and prayer will be in our heart, and when we are keeping our hand on someone and when we are praying for them, the energy which is inside us will be transferred to the next person. So in pranic healing and other yogic practices, the guru can give the energy which he have gained to his disciple by just keeping that hand. He can channelize, like he can channelize the energy pathways inside that disciple. So when the guru channelizes this pathway inside the disciple, what happens is actually there will be a very smooth flow of that energy inside the disciple. And when the disciple is practicing those meditations regularly, these pathways will be much stronger and there will happen much flow of energy inside that person. So basically I'm a Christian, so I know only about the Christianity of this thing. That is, when we praise and meditates God, what happens is our heart will be very much filled with the love of God, and we can experience, if we are a sensitive person. uh, we already told that this thing spirituality, some people can experience but some people cannot experience this spirituality, and through lots of meditation and practice, the sensitivity of a person can increase, through which he can experience the energy coming into him and the energy flowing through him. All things can be experienced if that person is very much dedicated. Naturally some people will be sensitive. If he is not sensitive naturally, he can, if he is dedicating very much to the spirituality, if he is very much into meditation and prayer, then he will get this sensitivity. So through this energy center in the hand, if that person is keeping the hand on some person and praying, then that energy whichever he have received in his heart will be gone to the person to whom he is praying. That's why in religious books we can see that in Bible there is mentioned Jesus and his disciples. Many places where they see the sick people, they keeps the hand on them and prays. So when the people didn't know about the spiritual body and its structures of the spiritual body, then they think like, oh, why keeping the hand on the person and praying? Just praying is enough, right? Yes, just praying also work, because when we speak, the energy which is accumulated inside us goes out. So that's why when we speak the good words, some other about some other people or some other thing, the other person get happy, because the energy going from our heart through our mouth is the energy of divine or love or all those light energy. Then that brings the positive effect or positive impact on the other person. So the energy can be transformed. Energy can be given through our words, and also by touching on that person through our hand, it can be given. So these are the basic thing which is related to the spiritual body of humans. Thank you.